Animation is the art of bringing life to an otherwise inanimate objects or illustrated or 3D generated characters. The timeline is the part of the animation software that represents the animation's progress over time. The frame rate of an animation is the number of individual images or frames that are being displayed over the span of 1 second. It is a setting you can adjust in the animation software. Animation is usually done in 24 frames per second, means 24 FPS. Working on ones and twos is a term used in hand-drawn animation. Working on ones would mean doing a new drawing over every single frame of the animation. Working on twos means holding each drawing for 2 frames. So 1 second of animation at 24 frames per second would only be 12 drawings, not 24. In 2D animation, working on twos looks fine in most instances, and there are even cases where drawing can be held longer. In 3D, though working on one is the standard. Normally, in live action filmmaking, the term shot refers to the images between camera edits, while a scene is all the shots and dialogue that take place at a particular location for a continuous block of time. In animation, however, we often use the term scene and shot interchangeably. When we talk about a scene or shot, we often refer to one specific continuous piece of animation in between camera cuts. In hand-drawn animation, keyframes are the major important poses that define the scene. In 3D, a keyframe is any position on the timeline where the animator has defined the position of the character. Breakdowns come between keys and define what the motion from key to key will be. In betweens are all the frames that come in between to smooth out the motion. In 3D, in betweens are all the frames that the computer interprets or automatically generates to move the character from key to key. Timing, spacing, and easing are closely related terms. Timing means the total number of frames that will be used for a movement. Spacing is the amount of change that comes between each frame. Decreasing the spacing makes an object slower, while increasing the spacing makes it look faster. In digital animation, easing is how spacing is controlled, usually through a motion graph on the timeline. When animating, it's very useful to be able to see more than one frame at a time. In paper animation, this is done by having multiple drawings on a light table. But in modern animation programs, there's often a feature called onion skinning. It lets you see semi-transparent representations of the frames behind or ahead of the current frame you are working on. Budgeting is the process of putting all the individual pieces of a scene together to create the final visual output. You might have a background, multiple characters, and some scenery all being developed separately. Compositing is how all those pieces get put together into a single scene.
Friends, today we learned what is animation and some words related to animation. In the next video, we will be learning the 12 principles of animation. So friends, if you have enjoyed the video, then please like it, share it, subscribe my channel Knowledge Booster, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to comment in the comments box. Bye friends, stay safe, take care.